Hi there. So this is a real and honest review for the Shark Navigator Swivel Base. And I have had mine for about 6 months now. I actually really enjoy using it. It is lightweight, easy to use. It gets into the corners and the crevices. It does have little hose attachments. It's easy to dispose of debris. You just pop the little latch on the canister and empty it into the trash can. The filters are a little bit more difficult to, keep clean. You've got to keep up on those. And the only other thing that if I had to change it, it would be that it had a longer cord so that I could actually just plug it in and go, all the way into the other rooms in the house without having to unplug into a different electric socket. But that's really the only thing that I would change about it. Again, lightweight, easy to use, definitely good and compact for the house.